This is a review of the iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protector that I'm going to be doing a review about. And this review, we're going to unbox this, show you guys what you get, and from there, install it and show you guys the finished results. But all the stuff that you see right here, so it says it offers HD clear, anti-fingerprint, anti-scratch, and it's bubble-free. So yeah, that's the stuff it offers. But yeah, let's go open this thing up and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is all the stuff that it comes with. So it comes with the dust absorbers, so you use that for while you're installing it. Then after that, you have some wipes right over here. That is pretty much a wet, dry, and it's professional cleaning, so you do that before you install it for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. And then not just that, one huge plus about this, this product is that it comes with the lens protector as well too. So you can use that to protect your lens. So it comes with that just in case. And that not last but not least, it comes with this. So you need that during the install when you install it to pretty much mount the screen protector into your iPhone 17 Pro Max. And another thing I love about this premium screen protector is that it comes with an extra one just in case if you mess up, then you have one more. So that's another cool thing about it. But yeah, I'm going to install this and show you guys the finished results and show you guys on hand on how exactly the screen protector looks like and the finished results of the iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protector. Okay, so this is the finished results of the iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protector, and I'm going to be showing you guys that right now. So let's go and see. And you can see how amazing this looks like. You can see it's anti-fingerprint scratch resistant. So what that means is that it's not going to get scratched or anything like that. It will protect you from scratches if you have like long fingers, or protected like that. And overall, it just looks, it was pretty much easy to install. It wasn't too difficult or anything like that. It comes with the extra one just in case if you pretty much fail the other one, then you have another one. And overall, it looks really amazing. You can see here, it's, super high quality, no any sign of bubbles or anything like that. You don't have to worry about any bubbles on your screen protector. It doesn't have, so far as you look closely, no sign of bubbles. And you could tell this is high quality. And overall, I would definitely recommend a screen protector, especially for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you want to protect it from getting damaged, then having a screen protector for your iPhone 17 Pro Max is extremely important to have, and you want to protect your phone from getting damaged. And this screen protector is by far one of the best screen protectors to get, because you can see no sign of bubbles or anything like that, no scratches or fingerprints. It doesn't, pretty much is proof from that. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this screen protector for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you're looking for a replacement screen protector or a new one, then this one by far is one of the best screen protectors to get, and I would definitely recommend this screen protector for your iPhone 17 Pro Max.